Hi guys, it is a Monday today and we just came back from the gym. We're making a bowl for lunch and honestly I have a lot of that I need to get done today. Look at my nails. I repainted them. I was unsure about the color, but now I really love it. But I feel like I would wear this more on like a beach vacation or something. I feel like that's more the vibe. Doesn't really go with anything else that I got going on, but it might go very, very well with the video that I'm filming today. So I'm gonna go grab it so I can show you guys the stuff. Okay, let me show you guys what I got going on. So I got this box. Haven't opened this stuff yet. To do a classic blowout using dry bar. I've got the dry bar blow dryer. It's called the Buttercup. Filming today. So I got this collaboration through Skippers. I know I talk about them a lot. So if you guys have any questions, ask away. But basically they have requirements for a specific amount of followers. And then you know, open an account, request to join, and then it takes a little bit. Mine took like months, and then they approved me. And then you basically just like browse the items that they have in from different brands, and you apply to them. And then when you're approved, then they ship out your stuff. I haven't done a classic blowout in so long. I've been using my Dyson, so it's going to be totally interesting using like a brush and a hairdryer. It's called the Southern Belle Volume Boosting Root Lift. I'm actually super excited to try it because one of the issues that I have is I feel like my hair loses a volume. So I wanted to use some sort of mousse. This is a mousse formula. So I'm actually kind of excited to try it because I have a feeling it's going to make my hair really voluminous and beautiful. I went to check the mail and I got a little package from Guzzi. I think it's Guzzi. I should look it up, honestly. But this is another brand that I'm also doing a little brand collaboration with. Pretty exciting. This one's actually a hair straightener. I have not had a hair straightener in probably 6 years, 5 years. I have to go film and I'm kind of pushing it off because I have to go take a shower and wash my hair so I can blow dry it. I got my coffee and I really, really, really want to do it, but I also am like, I want to drink my coffee in peace before work. Let's open up the Guzzi package together. Why not? Open it up with my YouTube family. Ooh, this is nice. 1-inch titanium ceramic flat iron. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to play with that. Guys. It has been hours later. I had to shower, do my hair wash routine, and then do my makeup. So I did my skincare and my makeup for a video. And then I did my entire blow dry routine with the dry bar stuff. And my hair looks so good too, by the way. Like a super voluminous. I forgot how much work it is to do like a classic blowout. I guess I'm a little, what's the word? Privileged because I have the Dyson, and the Dyson is elite, I will say. It's elite. But classic blowout still is a classic blowout. Not gonna say it, like it's different. It definitely gives me a smoother finish when I do the blowout, but it's just not worth it. It just takes so much more time. It hurts my hand. I mean, Dyson is the way to go for me, but the root lifter is amazing. Anyways, I'm gonna go on a walk. I'm gonna take a break. I'm super duper tired. I literally just filmed an outfit of the day with this cute yellow dress. Excuse the mess, guys. My room is a mess. If you guys didn't know, we're actually preparing to go on a road trip. We're leaving to Lancaster again, Pennsylvania. I'm going to drive there instead of flying there like we did last time. And I'm just like literally prepping for finishing all the collaborations that I have to finish and then packing. So my boyfriend and I are literally like trying to coordinate outfits today. And I got a bunch of stuff out. But I'm actually, the dress that I'm wearing, I'm considering taking it because it's just so comfortable. I think it's a great travel dress. But let me show you. This is the outfit. The dress is from Free People. And sorry about the poor lighting in here, guys. My room has the most horrible lighting and I literally just put all my lights away. So they're not coming out anytime soon today. It's super cute, super comfortable, and I love it. Also, it matches my nails, which is cool. Although I do think that this yellow is a little more baby yellow. I know that my boyfriend's waiting for me. We're gonna go on a walk, or afternoon walk. It's so essential for me. I need to get out of the house. I need to enjoy my day. Like, look at this day. It looks so gorgeous out there. I gotta get out there. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is packing day. As you know, I mentioned yesterday, we are doing a little road trip to Pennsylvania. So I've got laid out the things that I want to wear, and I'm finally going to start packing because my man over there has already, like, he's on his phone, but he's chill, okay? He's already packed. Okay? All his freaking stuff is packed. I'm actually just being funny, but yeah, all his stuff is packed and it's my turn. And I'm trying to like make content out of it, but I don't know how that looks, so let's figure it out together.
And that's how far we are.
This is too much for me right now. You are stressing me out.
Is it because I'm so far ahead that it's stressing?
Okay guys, laughs aside, because there is no time for laughing. Literally we have no time. So this yellow top from Princess Polly with these Reformation jeans, I think would be a super cute outfit. Princess Polly shirt. Oh, God. This top, it's very cute and baby yellow. The kind of like the theme of this thing is baby yellow and orange. Okay, you can tell I'm in a mood right now because I'm wearing orange. So I have these. It's cute for daytime or nighttime.
Do you want the tripod?
All right, guys, different angles. This is what I've come so far. So I think this baby blue dress, which my boyfriend loves on me, and for some reason I think it does not snatch my waist, and I don't like that. So it is really cute though, I will say. So this is gonna be car outfit, whether that's the first one or the second one, I'm not very sure. But you know, now that I'm thinking about it, this would be a cute first drive outfit. So this is an old dress from Revolve. The brand name is Spell in the Gypsy, and it's like a really cute, long, kind of more summery, definitely kind of beachy vibes. But the way that I like to wear this is like a whole look. I like to wear it with these rag and bone sandals and like a really small, tight belt on my waist. And I think it just looks really, really cute. I, of course, put the light away right when I decided to film. I put everything away. I packed this for the most part. Now I just gotta pack up my makeup and the toiletries. So I left that for last, but all my clothes are packed. All my shoes are packed. My outfit that I'm wearing tomorrow is ready. So basically it's just the like all the stuff you put up here in the front. This is my base bag. I love it. All my jewelry in this little case that I got from Amazon a while back. It's actually super cute. So I'm gonna take 2 pairs of like small studs, Batman ears, and these little studs, 2 necklaces. These are all the rings that I am taking. And I took some like necklace, like a really long necklace slash choker, and a couple of like bracelets, and then one really nice like gold bracelet for date night. Hi guys, it is much later in the day. I have kind of almost finished packing, but right now we're doing food prep because We're gonna make some sandwiches, we're gonna make dinner, and I'm gonna make some protein brownies for tonight and also to just take on our trip because it'll be a good snack. We are on a kind of strict diet. We're on a protein focused diet. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. We're on a protein focused diet. So we do want to try to get our protein in, and it was a little hard to eat well last time we traveled.
Try to get our proteins in, but if we
Yeah.
can't, we're not like,
And for tonight is I'm gonna bake protein brownies. We're gonna make sandwiches for our trip, and we're gonna make breakfast burritos for our trip.
Dude, I could go for some black keys.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Really?
Yeah.
Could you?
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters ain't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, 'cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being